All Kinds of Factories. Written by Catherine Page. What is a factory? Factories are big buildings where goods are made. Some factories are in the city. Some factories are in the country. Some factories use huge machines. Some factories use small machines. Some factories have robots make goods. Some factories have people make goods. Some factories have both make goods. What do factories make? This factory turns wood into paper. People write or draw on paper. This factory turns cotton into cloth. People use cloth to make clothes. This factory turns sand into glass. People use glass in windows. This factory puts parts together to make cars. People use cars to drive to different places. What did you use today that came from a factory?